I need some love. Hey. So I know I said I was gonna keep these until May 1st, but my scalp had other plans.
I need a moment.
So we're taking them out.
My bed, but I still can't get you in my head. Ooh.
Happy birthday, Aiden! I like the test.
Wanna get wasted with you.
So bad I play my way. I just need some tea. I just need some love. Tired of messing with these ladies. I just need a thug. I need some love. Hey.
Girls need love. Girls need
Would you like
classic bag?
This is yours.
Cause lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. My face when I close my eyes. Can I get a kiss? Hey, can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war, and I don't know if I'ma see you again. Can I get a kiss? Can I? Can you? So much history, baby.
And realize what booties can do.
We gon' get it poppin'. We gon' get it jumpin'.
Never rolled at the ring. We would just go to the ring. You ain't buy tokens no more. You just can't roll at the ring.
No, ma'am. It's not that song.
Hey, let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. And I'm T-Pain. You know me. Come big music every Bowie. I know the club. Close at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me?
That's what they're trying to do.
I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Black yard,
Shorty in the
backyard. Shawty got the black bra show.
tat it up.
No, we up.
Yes, you know.
Up.
Yes, yes, you know.
Hey, hey. We're currently halfway done. I'm starting to cut. I cut like the back so it can so I can take them out faster. But it's 12:38, so hopefully I can be finished by 2. Yeah. So it is currently 2:52 and I have my last braid. Yes, I'm so excited. So by the way, I actually dyed my hair in December. I should have like almost 3 inches of new growth. So hopefully you can see that, but yeah. This is the piece I dyed. She's doing okay. She's not damaged or anything. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.